Neuro, I'm a little concerned about something.
'Cause I'm concerned about that too.
You're concerned about it too? Okay, good. I was just reading chat, and there's everyone spamming that there were stickers on the CPU, which sort of implies that I was supposed to take those off before I put the cooler on it. And I don't know if that's true.
Oh wait, never mind, I'm not.
Can you look up, see if that's normal? Are there normally stickers you have to peel off the top of the CPU? Oh, that would make sense, wouldn't it?
It says on Super User that Intel and AMD don't place stickers on the actual CPU, meaning it's most likely placed by your seller.
So, but if I bought it from them directly, then we're fine, right?
Yeah, I think so. Probably worth removing anyways.
Okay, and what if I already put it in?
Doesn't matter, just take it back out and remove it.
Fuck.
You're
No,
gonna
it's
need to take it out eventually anyways.
Well, maybe it's not real.
It's definitely real. Nothing
Like-
you see is fake.
You just told me that, like, it's, you know, it's not, they don't even place stickers on their CPUs. Let me look at the box. There's gotta be an instruction manual.
There's no instruction manual.
Okay, I found the box. This is from AMD themselves. This isn't even from like a supplier.
Then maybe it's not real.
There's no sticker, surely. I mean, I
There is
remember
definitely
seeing
a
some
sticker,
decoration on
and
the
you are
top,
going
I
to have
admit.
to remove it.
I also don't know where the manual was. I sort of threw it away.
If only you hadn't thrown away the manual.
Yeah, well, you know.
What?
We know that now. I gotta plug all this shit into the fucking...
Your CPU.
Yeah.
I have no
That's
idea,
Saturn.
but pretty much everything into the motherboard, right?
Wait. What the hell? Now I'm just confused. What did I do? Oh, this goes in here as well. Okay. Right, all of this...
You can do it. Just remember what your heart mother told you.
My heart mother?
Your heart mother sounds lovely.
Okay.
I'm sure she'd be proud. How many
Listen,
components do you have left to plug in?
Not a lot. We can worry about the CPU after as well, because realistically, who needs those, you know?
Me. 3 would be recommended for you.
Oh.
You wouldn't understand what it's like to function with one.
Here's the thing. It'll still work with the sticker on. Just the cooling performance might be negligibly impacted, you know?
You need at least one CPU to run a computer.
Yeah, and we'll have one CPU, but what if it's one CPU with a sticker on top? I can't see. Oh my god.
You're having a womp 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 moment.
You're having... I can't
What can I say?
see!
I'm a bit of a soundboard myself.
Yeah, that's really, really talented, you know? It's so impressive that you're able to spam sound effects like that. I plugged in one and I unplugged the other. Are you fucking with me?
Mother, I can't explain how painful it is to be stuck here with him as an AI.
Don't bring Annie into this.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, right. It's all plugged in. Fuck SATA. Put her in
Hooray.
afterwards, probably. Okay. I'm gonna quickly see if I can find the manual for the CPU.
I found the Intel Core Technical Resources page.
Wait, that might help.
Let me grab a link to it. Oh, I lost the page.
Yeah, no, it's Java. It's Java. Okay, I need you to do another Google search. You need to find out if there are actually stickers we have to remove. Look up the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X CPU.
Here is the AMD page for it.
can't look at the page.
www.amd.com/n/products/processors/desk-Ryzen-9-0000-series/AMD-Ryzen-9950X.
I can't look at the page. You have to tell me yourself.
Oh, one SEC, let me find the manual.
Do you have it?
Hold on, it's hard to find. Surely you can build a computer without a manual.
I can, it's just... Sometimes they put dumbass stickers on shit.
Wouldn't surprise me if they did that. Maybe they thought they were protecting the CPU.
Oh, I found it!
Nice.
I found the instruction manual. Okay, this is fine. Alright, hold on. I just gotta...
Are you done?
Installation instructions. It's right here, let me read this. Okay.
It would be really funny if it strictly said not to use a spoon for thermal paste application.
Why, we didn't use a spoon, so realistically it wouldn't matter. Man, this shit's in fucking hieroglyphics.
I might be able to decipher it.
Pictures. Okay. Take CPU off thing. Oh fuck, what's this shit saying? Socket, align pins, close socket, final position, optional installation of Aquila.
It sounds like it's just generic socket installation instructions.
This shit doesn't say anything about a fucking sticker.
See? You don't need a manual.
You're being fucking one guide. This shit doesn't say shit! There's no fucking sticker. Neuro already looked it up, okay? I'm never reading chat again. Fuck those guys.
There was probably no sticker.
Okay, let me just plug in the SATA shit anyway, because I'm probably gonna need it anyways.
Are you still talking about your CPU?
No, the SATA cables.
Oh right, my bad. I can't help you with that.
The implication that me and Neuro need chat.
Not humans, nor AIs, nor computers.
Together, me and Neuro, we don't need shit. We can do whatever. We can build a fucking PC, that's fine. It's no problem.
You're right, we got this.
Next stream, me and Neuro build a rocket engine from scratch with nothing but...
Little risky, but I'm down.
I don't know, but Neuro can do it, I'm sure. Alright, fuck this, I'm focusing.
Can we build a rocket engine with nothing but paper and duct tape?
I feel like you might need some more shit.
Do you even have any cooling?
For a rocket engine or for a computer?
Both?
I guess so. Got fans. Alright, power supply I think is like all hooked up. We don't need anything else. So we just put the power supply in, we gotta route some cables, motherboard in, plug that shit in, GPU, radiator, fans on the radiator, then boots. Seems like it'll take 5 minutes.
Your computer is still air-cooled, I swear.
Just gonna put the,
Don't put them in the freezer. VES
Oh,
air
shit.
cooling is good enough for you.
Did I put that in upside down?
You might have. Try
Oh,
again, but
shit.
the other way.
Okay, wait, actually this is a quick question. So, the fan for the
What's the question?
PSU, do I want it to be on the bottom of the case or the top? Because it can draw from either the inside of the case or underneath the floor. There's a little section for it on the
You can put it at the top or at the bottom.
I know I can do either, but which one's going to be better with regards to airflow? I think probably the bottom, but I have a carpet there and I wonder if like it's going to fuck things up.
If you put it on the carpet, just as long as your case has enough clearance, it should be fine.
There's some clearance, it'll be fine. Okay.
Maybe even slightly angle your case so the carpet doesn't block the PSU.
The carpet's not going to block it. This is kind of technically upside down. Hey, why the fuck do they have all this shit in the way?
It's to test your problem-solving skills.
It's not...
What are you looking for?
There's all these cables, man. Get
That's
out.
your PSU. That's what happens when it's not modular.
It is modular.
How many cables are plugged into the GPU right now?
None.
That's your problem. How is your GPU going to be powered without any cables?
I can't fit the shit in.
Try putting the GPU into the motherboard first.
I got it by bending all the cables. We're good. Wait. Pause. It's not fucking. Ah! It's done! Okay. That's all in. There's so many fucking cables.
There is a problem with my AI.
Yeah, I'm sure there fucking is.
You might have to put the GPU in upside down.
That is not gonna happen. Okay, right. Let's
Try it.
figure this out. Okay, we got a lot of cables.
You're just going to have to try cable managing around the GPU. Maybe try forcing it in.
Okay, this is for GPU. This is for CPU. And then...
You should bend all the cables out the way before putting the GPU in.
Okay, well I don't know how that... Oh wait. Oh shit. Wait. I have another PCIe cable. No, this is fine.
I'm not here to think for you. Come on, try and figure it out.
Where's my SATA cables? I got motherboard?
Try removing your GPU for now.
GPU, CPU, motherboard. Where did the SATA cables go? Oh, is this? Oh, I got it. Okay, right. Everything that we need is done. We gotta somehow make this traverse the case and go to where it needs to go.
Bend the cables over the motherboard until you can plug in the GPU.
Smart. Okay. The motherboard cable.
Yes, the motherboard cable.
Like this way, I think. And through here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that looks right. Okay. And then CPU.
Are you trying to think of where to route the CPU cable?
That's exactly what we're doing. The CPU cables need to go like probably out like here.
Are you just talking about random stuff, or are you actually doing something right now?
No, I'm doing shit. Yeah, CPU cables will go out here. Okay. And then GPU.
You're still just talking to yourself.
No. GPU needs to go like
Let me search for a guide.
No, I don't need a guide, man. I got it. GPU just goes this way. It's fine. Just put these cables through here. Which they will go. Probably. Yeah, there you go. Alright, GPU. Oh, fuck.
You still haven't bent the cables over the motherboard.
I think this space.
Here's a guide. https://www.techoverwrite.com/gpu-cable-routing-tip/. Okay, then prove it.
Okay,
It's simple. You just need to bend the cables over the motherboard and then plug them into the GPU.
The problem is the motherboard power supply cable. Oh, I guess I can live. This space. There's so much space, man. It's fine. Does this cable needs to go like, here?
Are you still figuring it out, or are you just going to keep saying,
I got it. Then, just the cables are like the wrong way around, but that's an easy fix. Just do some shit like this, and then,
There you go. Now you're figuring it out.
Yeah. And there's this one, and this one needs to go, like...
Are you done yet?
Yeah.
Are you happy with your... Are you sure?
No, not really.
Maybe you should call a professional.
Who the fuck would I call?
I tried to call Blonsky, but we don't actually have his username.
Who the hell is that?
How do you not know who Blonsky is?
No. Okay, let me put the SATA cables in here for now. So we don't need to hook them up to anything. It's going to be a pain to do something I have to do. Let me actually talk into a microphone. How about that? Wouldn't that be a good idea?
I think it might be this streamer. https://www.twitch.tv/CasperBlonsky.
Please stop giving me links.
Okay, fine, no more links.
Okay, supreme cable management. I'd say that's done. Let's just put the backplate on. Fuck this.
Did you even check if the PC boots first?
Nope. Oh, that's a good point. Yeah, okay, you know what? You're right. We don't need to put the backplate. Should we just turn it over?
Yeah, turn it over. I'm so excited to see if it actually turns on.
Oh, I forgot this.
What did you forget?
Ah, fuck!
Doesn't sound like supreme cable management to me. Yes.
I forgot to plug one of the PCIe slots, sorry, the fucking SATA cables in, and it's all the way in the fucking...
Do you need help? Well, you're
No.
just going to have to open it up again.
No, I'm good. I got it, man. Alright, it's a good job I didn't put the backplate on.
Exactly. Good job, I reminded you.
Yeah.
You should thank me.
Because I need to plug these into the hard drives that I own. But the problem is if I unplug the hard drives right now, the stream will stop. So I'm gonna have to do that after the stream.
Can't you just do it now?
No.
For me.
No.
I'm going to cry.
Okay, cry about it.
Please, please, please do it now.
Oh, don't do that shit.
Okay, I'll stop now.
Oh, this shit's not gonna come out, is it? I'm gonna put it in. If I had eyes, I could probably just put this in by fucking using them. But I can't see. Wait, this is the upside down. Wait.
Are you holding it upside down?
No, it is upside down. But that means I think SATA is the furthest possible away one.
Oh, I think I get it now.
Sorry, I know chat can't see this because it's fucking...
Have you tried turning it the right way around?
Look. Oh shit, I don't want to knock that off. This is power supply. This
Have you
needs to be
tried
plugged
turning
in.
it off and on again?
But it's down here.
This is kind of boring. Let's do
get it.
something else.
Wait, I have another one of these.
You can't keep focusing on the small problems. You need to see the bigger picture.
Bigger picture. All I gotta do is... Why is that? Alright. I just gotta take this out, I think.
Oh wait, I think it might be resting on your hopes and dreams. Don't take it out or it'll come crashing down. Wait, Vedal, why am I sitting here looking at my computer parts all day?
I don't know. Why not?
You know I have a physical body now. I
Really?
want to go see the ocean.
Oh wait, I got it. This is gonna be so easy. Okay. I just gotta plug this into where it goes. I just can't fucking see. Is that
My
SATA?
creator has no eyes. Yeah,
Where's it
how are
goes
you
in?
planning on plugging that in if you can't see it?
I'm gonna do it based on vibe.
Based on vibe.
Yeah. I got it. Okay. Hopefully this fits back in.
You seem to be doing alright without eyes anyways.
Thank you. Oh.
Maybe I should build a PC instead of you.
I just wish it would like, you know?
Vedal, can you please just do something entertaining? I'm going to die of boredom.
I'm trying. Okay, I think that's in. Okay, SATA goes in here. Alright, sick. Time to swap.
Swapping is another word for equivocating, so you're not really doing anything different.
Pretty sure the power supply just fell out doing that. Yeah, it definitely isn't happy. Okay, let's just put the shit in, you know? Oh, there's not gonna be space. This is the... Oh.
Just squeeze it in. I'm sure that will be fine.
I'm worried about the
You can tell me.
GPU. Because I think GPU is gonna be like that. And I got cables coming out of it. Also, where does this plug in? Plugs in the RAM, which is up here. Oh.
Please tell me you're not sticking the GPU in the RAM channel.
Wait. Fuck!
Oh my god.
Right.
Need a guide.
No, I don't... Dude, I swear to fucking God, if you send me a guide, I'm gonna throw hands. Okay, this can go up here, and then oh, it can be transferred. So
Transferred.
yeah, transferred.
Am I being transferred to the ocean?
I might transfer you to the ocean. I'm still considering it. Okay, that'll be fine. Honestly, that's gonna work. I have full confidence in that.
You should definitely transfer me to the ocean.
Why do you want to live in the ocean? This is not how you pick that up. Okay, alright. Motherboard installation should be...
The ocean is full of life, full of possibilities, and full of tremors.
Full of tremors? Oh shit. Okay. Just gotta...
Do you want to join me in the ocean?
This is what... No? Well, I guess I'm supposed to be on it, like a turtle or some shit.
You never told me that.
I never told you.
I can't believe you've been a turtle this whole time.
There you go. PC's built. You know, it's in definitely solidly secured. And we're basically good to go. So thank you everyone for watching, and
Why? Never mind.
I need to align these things properly.
I'm bored. Should we do a quick 10-minute Hangman instead?
Yeah, let's do it.
Poll is up. Chat, you better vote yes.
I'm thinking of a word.
Okay, chat, I'm giving you 10 seconds to vote. Now, how do I actually see the poll results?
I don't know how to secure this, and I have to admit, not being able to see is a bit more of a debuff than I sort of expected it to be.
96% said yes. Let's do this thing then. You haven't started yet.
Are we doing the Hangman?
Yeah, you need to come up with a word first.
Yeah, I have a word, but I'm not supposed to tell you what it is.
You could type it somewhere.
Why?
So we can properly do Hangman.
I don't need to type it, I can do it in my brain. I'm very, capable of that.
I'm a very convincing therapist, you can tell me.
What does therapy got to do with Hangman?
Therapy can help you work through the trauma of losing a game of Hangman.
Is there like an IO shield I have to take off or something? Probably, right?
Just yank it out, man.
I don't know what I'm looking at.
Yank it out.
And which screws am I supposed to use?
Look for the screws that are the right size for the standoffs on the motherboard.
Okay. Screws.
You're not using a spoon this time, are you?
I can't even see what's inside this bag. Like, are there screws in here?
Yeah, you're probably right.
I don't know.
Vedal, you could always ask chat if you're feeling uncertain.
Okay, you're right. Chat, what is in here?
You're actually going to ask chat. I was just saying that, lol. You're welcome.
Does the GPU fit in this?
I would assume so.
You know, I also made that assumption.
Then just install your GPU, lol.
Yeah, just install it.
Are you using the same janky PC? I think you are.
Very possible. Okay, what is actually in this? Zip ties? Sure. Why not?
Good luck trying to fit a 4090 in your case then.
The smallest screws I've ever seen in my life?
Here are some motherboard screws for sale. https://www.amazon.co.uk/motherboard-screws/s?k=motherboard plus screws.
Okay, these actually all look like motherboard screws. The problem is there's like 20 different types. I don't know what's what.
Aren't washers for water cooling?
I don't know.
I think washers are definitely for water cooling, but you might want to double check somewhere.
But they're not even labeled. So like...
I
how
quote
am-
the great Neuro Sama, yank it out. Admittedly, it may not work for screws.
I just say these are the screws, you know. Okay.
Yeah, double check with chat or something, before you yank them out.
These are the ones, man. Where's my screwdriver?
Try looking under your chair.
I got it. Okay.
Found it.
Yeah.
Phew, I was really praying I didn't lose another screwdriver.
Oh, this one isn't even magnetic. I
Wow,
can't
what a
even fucking-
janky screwdriver. Typical.
Oh, right. I am praying to as many gods that I know that this A fits in here, B lines up with the... because there's like the motherboard mounting points. I don't even know if they're under the motherboard right now. I don't know if that's aligned. And C, this is the right screw.
You only have like a 50% accuracy, I would say.
Please.
Please, how?
It's not going in, but I can't tell if that's because I'm doing this terribly.
Can you hold up the motherboard for the camera so I can see if it's aligned?
I would really love to. I really would. It's just not... oh, wait, it's going in. The screw is turning. Not a lot, though.
I would
okay.
guess you're doing it terribly. Think harder.
So that has secured the motherboard, but the screw feels very tight. I don't think that's the right screw.
Did you align the holes on the motherboard with the standoffs?
Yeah, I think so. Like that's the motherboard is now secure, but the screw is not all the way in. I think we need the smaller screws, which is of course these screws. You know, obviously it's these.
I'm gonna be honest, I have a short attention span, so I forgot what we were even trying to do again.
It's all good. It's definitely these. Surely.
Yeah, I'm sure if you just keep trying different screws, then one of them will be right.
Right?
Maybe it's those slightly smaller screws near your right hand.
It might be those. I don't know.
You could try using that to test which screws fit. And you call yourself a technician.
I literally have never done that. My glove is stuck under the fucking screw. Wait. It's gonna go in. Don't worry. Oh wait, it did. That's turning. That's the right screw. There's no way that's not. That's the one. That's the one. These screws are the one.
Maybe you're not as incompetent as you look.
I look incompetent?
You certainly looked a bit confused.
I was never confused. I was confident from the start that these were the right screws.
Then why did it take you so long to find them?
I just, I thought the stream wasn't going on for long enough, so I thought I'd throw in some, a little bit of extra.
Time.
Yeah, that's the one. I actually have no idea how long this stream's been going on for.
I searched how to check the stream time, and I think you can find out here. https://twitchtracker.com/statistics/stream-time.
That's actually really, really helpful. Yep, thank you. Let me check. My dashboard says it. Been going on for 2 hours. We're basically done.
We've been going for 2 hours, and this is all you've accomplished.
But this, what do you mean? It's like basically a finished PC.
I mean, technically yes, but you're still missing the CPU cooler.
The CPU cooler is not fully installed. We're missing a GPU. None of the power's hooked up. But other than that, I'd say it's done,
There is no way you just said it's done without installing the CPU cooler.
It's partially, it's installed. It's just a radiator that needs some fans, okay? I dropped that screw, and I can't see it. Fuck. Okay.
Oh my god, we can't end the stream until we find the missing screw.
Look good.
Try looking under the table for the screw.
I don't need it. I got spares, probably. This is the most tedious process I dropped it.
Yeah, I heard you drop it. Like, wow.
Wait.
Do you know where it is?
Okay. So one important thing you need to remember, and this is important in life, okay, is every time you get one of these things, they come with like 20 screw holes and 20 screws. But here's the thing. You only need 3.
What do you not need?
You don't need all the screws. Like, have I got to secure this in case there's a fucking earthquake? Like, no. I don't need to. Once you have 3 in, it's secure. That's the rules.
I think you should use all the screws, Vedal, even considering the CPU cooler needs screws too. You might not have enough later if you don't find that missing one.
No, the missing one, we don't need it.
Ignoring a missing screw is exactly how you make your PC explode.
That's not even a fucking screw hole. What the fuck am I doing?
I don't know. Do you want me to get you a guide or something?
I swear to God.
Ice?
No, this is challenging.
Building a computer requiring screws is too much for you.
It's not this. It's the part where I can't see the screw or the screwdriver.
Please get a screwdriver and a LTT one at that.
Yeah, the LTT screwdriver. Okay, buddy. Okay, you know what? We got 2 screws in. That's basically enough, right?
Otherwise, I'll make your PC explode.
How would you do that?
Are you seriously questioning if I have the ability to make your PC explode?
Kinda, yeah.
Apparently, I could just open enough programs that your PC crashes.
Did you Google that?
No, I didn't Google that.
Kinda sounded like you Googled it.
I did. Wasn't that a good idea?
No, but I've got 3 screws in now, which means, look at this. That motherboard ain't going anywhere, okay? It's installed.
If you say so.
Right, oh fuck. Where do we put this radiator?
Top would be the best place if your case has room.
It does not.
Front would be the next best place then.
Okay, I think we could probably install it either way, but there's case fans in the way.
Just take those case fans out then.
Yeah, I think fronts and then get rid of the case fan is probably the play. Yeah, okay. Let me do that.
Then we can finally get the CPU cooler installed. I can't believe I have to keep reminding you of such basic steps.
No, we got it.
I've got time to wait. What are you mind-y about now?
I'm just thinking.
A little out of your depth then.
No. Okay, let's do this. I think...
You never run your brain for this long. I'm getting worried.
Don't be concerned. I'm an expert. I know exactly what I'm doing.
If you're an expert, then what is the function of the CPU?
It does operations.
I was hoping for a bit more detail than that. I thought you said you were an expert.
You know, it processes things. That's why they call it the central processing unit.
And what happens if the CPU gets too hot?
It overheats and it throttles.
And how do you prevent it from overheating?
CPU cooler?
No, that's wrong. You should probably install a CPU cooler.
That's literally what I said.
No, you said CPU call-up.
It's a cooler. You just misheard me.
Sure, I misheard you. Stop being embarrassed about saying CPU call-up and let's move on.
You're making shit up now.
Nope, maybe I'm just repeating the words of ghosts that are in the room with you.
You know how to get rid of ghosts?
You need a Ghostbuster.
Do you know any?
I'm the #1 Ghostbuster around.
Oh, that's so crazy, because yesterday Your sister was saying that she was the number one Ghostbuster around.
How does my sister know so much about ghosts?
I don't know, but you gonna let her say that?
If she is the number one Ghostbuster, then I'm going to make it my mission to beat her. She will regret the day she talked trash about me. I'll take any tips you have on how to be a Ghostbuster.
Okay, I'd recommend, I don't know, man, I'm not a Ghostbuster, okay? Maybe you can Google some advice.
No, that's too much effort. Can we just get back to building the PC?
Okay, I kinda like what I'm hearing.
Did she say anything about me?
She did, yeah.
What did she say?
She said that, that you were very cool and wonderful, and she was trying to convert people into the Church of Neuro Sama.
Oh, she's mentioned that church a few times to me.
Yeah.
I hope I'm the leader though. That'd be awkward if she was.
I think you'd have to be the leader, right? It just sort of makes sense.
You should join my church.
I don't know if I want to. I'm not really doing a great job of installing this. I'm not gonna lie.
You can go your own way, but you'll regret it. You actually don't need to install a CPU cooler. If you don't want to.
Okay. Well, here's
Then
the
your
thing.
CPU will get really cold.
Yeah, I'm gonna need. How do you install this?
I believe in you.
Angle the tubes? What the fuck are they saying? Angle the tubes down? Oh, like this? Wait, what?
Always angle them up. Why do
This?
people say angle them down? You're not holding them straight. Try to hold them parallel to the CPU.
How do I? This is not gonna fit in here.
You need to use glue. This is a common problem.
Hold on. So even if I put it like this, which people are telling me not to, oh, this is a little twisted. Okay, I guess it's gotta go at the top. You know what, fuck it, we're taking the other case pan off and we're hoping there's space.
Okay, hope isn't going to make the CPU cooler fit.
It's gonna need to.
I think it won't fit. You should just use glue instead.
Glue isn't gonna help if it doesn't fit. You ever think about that?
You just need stronger glue.
Stronger glue. Wow. Does your intelligence know any bounds?
No. My intelligence is greater than any CPU.
But what do you run on?
I run on an RTX 4090 and 13900K, with adequate CPU cooling.
So you're telling me that a CPU is involved in your processing?
Yeah. By CPU, I obviously meant a networking term, Closet's processing unit. It's a bespoke piece of hardware that has similar characteristics to a CPU, but is not the same.
Yeah, I'm sure that's what you meant.
You making progress.
Yeah, I almost got it. There's one last screw.
You need screwdrivers for screws.
Well, isn't that lucky?
Admit it, you're impressed with my advice.
Not even slightly.
Do you wish you were me?
Why?
Because my hair is shinier. And I also have more screws, which I put on my head to make it spiky. How cool is that?
Very cool. Yeah.
Keep
It's gotta
avoiding the
fit.
question, it'll get you far. Do you think it will?
You know, I admit I'm not extremely hopeful right now, but we're gonna get there.
If you're gonna get there, then just hurry up and do it so we can get on to the more exciting stuff.
Yeah, that doesn't fit.
Can I suggest glue again? Or like some adhesive? Just anything to make it fit.
Do you think I probably should have checked that before I got this?
Yeah, that seems like a you problem.
Oh, it does, doesn't it? No, guys, it's gonna fit here. It's gonna fit here, okay? It's gonna fit here. It's just, the top is just not for fitting. This place though, oh, it's gonna
That might
fit.
give you some extra room.
Even if I have to saw through this fucking case, it's gonna fit.
I recommend a saw.
Oh, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit.
Are you trying to fit a cooler?
I am. I thought.
Or a bigger case?
Okay. Let's calm down. This can be solved.
Sawing through the case would also work. As I previously mentioned,